Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is position words. We read from the book some position words. So this is the book and we have to study at page number 26. Read the position words. This is for the class 2. Dear student, I start reading. You to read with me loudly. Okay? I start. Position words. Read the position words. The glass is on the table. गिलास मेज पर है. Dear student, this is the position of the glass that tell us the glass is on the table. This is the position of the glass that shows us that glass is on the table. As you know that I put the glass on the table, so I say that the glass is on the table. If instead of glass I change another object, I place a duster. Suppose I place a duster. If I place the duster, then what will you say? Zishan, stand up. Duster. अब अगर मैं जब कह रहा था the glass is on the table, अब I put the duster here, then what you see and what you say? No. अब just you have to replace. आपने change करना है. What replace? As I say that the glass is on the table, now you say that the duster is on the table. The duster is on the table. Okay, stand up. If I place the book, then what do you tell me? The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Okay. If I place this pencil, if I place this pencil on the table, okay, so make sentence.
The pen is on the table.
Clapping. Very easy. Dear student, very easy. You have just replaced the word. Book says us and show us. What show? Glass is on the table. If I place mobile, then what do you say? What do you say? ये दे.
The mobile is on the table.
Clapping. Now I put the marker here. I put the marker. Okay. Now
The marker is on the table.
the marker is on the table. Clapping. Now I place this book. Now
The books and the table.
okay, the book is on the table. Is on the table. Now I place the bag. Yeah, this is the bag. I place here. What now become?
The bag is on the table.
Clapping. Now I place this bottle here. Yes, stand up.
The bottle is table.
Is
The
The bottle is
On table.
on table. On. This word on is the position. This on is the.
Position.
So you say that you have to say on the table, on the table. Now I place copy. Now I place
Copy.
here this copy and stand up Azmat.
This copy, the copy is on the table.
The copy is on the table. Clapping. Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. Excellent. Now stand up, Laiba. Laiba. Laiba, stand up. And this is the geometry. This is the yes. I place it. Geometry place on the table. Okay.
Geometry. The geometry is on the table.
Once again, do say once again say.
The geometry is on the table.
Clapping. Very nice. This is about the word on. On is the position word. No, another sentence we read. Another sentence we sit down, beta. Now another sentence I read. Dear student, the football
The football
is
is
in
in
the box.
the box.
The football
The football
is
is
in
in
the box.
the box.
कि फुटबॉल बॉक्स के अंदर है. इसका मतलब क्या है? The football is in the football is in the football is in the. Now I replace football with hen. Hen. What become?
The football in the box.
In the box. Now I say that if the hen what? Yes. Stand up.
The hen is in the box.
Okay. Very nice. Now if I say that I replace the word. Firstly, I say that football is on the box. Then Zishan say that hen is in the box. Now I put the crow in the box. So what the sentence become?
The crow in the box.
The crow is in the box. Crow is in the box. Crow is in the box. Clap it. If I change lion, then what you say? If the lion, yes. If I place the pencil in the box, then what become?
The is
No. Yes. Yes.
is in the box.
Clapping. Okay.
The pencil is in the box.
Okay. Any another thing? Color. If I place in the box, then what you say?
The color is in the box.
In the box. Clapping, baby. No, last sentence. No, listen please. This on is the position and in is the position. These two position words still we seek. First one is on. Another one is in. Okay. And last sentence. A cat is sitting under the table. See on the box, you see that cat is under the table. Cat is
Under the table.
Cat is under the.
Table.
This word under in the position word. This word under is the.
Table.
Now, instead of cat, I say that I place the book. I place the book. under the table. Now what the sentence become?
Book is under book.
Under the table. The book is under the.
Table.
If I place the dog, then what sentence become?
The book dog is under the table.
The dog is under the table. Clapping. Now, instead of dog, I place the shoes. Then what become?
The shoes is
Shoes is under the table. Okay. Very nice, student. Today our topic is ended. Now we will start another topic from tomorrow.